Welcome back, children. Today we will do derivation of third equation of motion by the graphical method. So as I stated earlier that this portion is common. Clear? Now let us start this third equation of motion. Again you write the same statement. Displacement of the body during the time interval 0 to t is given by S equal to area of trapezium OABE. You can see that OABE is a trapezium, right? So S is equal to, what is area of trapezium? Half into sum of the parallel sides into height. So this means S is equal to half of, now what are the parallel sides? We will see that these two are the parallel sides. So sum of the parallel sides means OA plus BE into height is AC, right? So this implies S is equal to half of OA plus BE into, now here you see, I am dividing this AC by BC and multiplying with BC. Right? What have I done? I have divided AC with BC and multiplied with BC. This step is very important. Now look, this implies S is equal to half of OA plus BE into BC divided by BC by AC. I am bringing this AC down below this BC. This can be done in this way. So this implies S is equal to half of OA plus, now in place of BE, I can write OD. So OA plus OD into, now this BC is BE minus CE. This is BE minus CE divided by BC by AC. So this implies S is equal to half of OA plus OD multiplied by, now BE is represented by OD and C is represented by OA. So I can write, in place of B I can write OD minus in place of C I can write OA divided by BC by AC. Now from here I can write, this implies S is equal to half of OD plus OA into OD minus OA divided by BC by AC. This implies S is equal to half OD plus OA, this can be written as OD square minus OA square by BC by AC. This implies S is equal to half of, now let us write the values. OD is represented by V, so in place of OD square I can write V square. OA is represented by U, so I can write U square divided by BC by AC is nothing but A. This you have got. BC by AC what? A means acceleration, slope of line AB. So now if I cross multiply, what am I getting? 2AS is equal to V square minus U square, or 2AS plus U square is equal to V square, or V square equal to U square plus 2AS. So this establishes the third equation of motion. So let me explain you once more the working. Displacement of the body during time interval 0 to t is given by S, which is area of trapezium OABE. So what is the area of trapezium? S equal to half sum of the parallel sides into height. So here OA and BE are the parallel sides. So S is equal to half of OA plus BE into AC. Now this AC, in the next step, S equal to half of OA plus B is into AC has been divided by BC and multiplied with BC. So this can be written as AC equal to half of OA plus B into BC. Now this AC are brought below this BC in the denominator. So it becomes BC divided by BC by AC. So S is equal to half OA plus B. OA is represented as OA. B is represented as OD. So B has been represented by OD because B and OD are same, into, now BC is B minus C by BC by AC. So S is equal to half of OA plus OD into, in place of B I am writing OD, in place of C I am writing OA, divided by BC by AC. So this comes to S is equal to half of OD plus OA into OD minus OA, divided by BC by AC. So this is what? A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. You know the formula? I think in algebra you have done. A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. From that formula we are getting this. So S equal to half of OD square minus OA square by BC by AC. So S equal to half of, in place of OD is being replaced by V. So OD square means V square. OA is being replaced by U. So OA square equal to U square. So V square minus U square by BC by AC is nothing but acceleration A. Now if you cross multiply, 2A will come this side. So 2A is equal to V square minus U square, or 2A plus U square equal to V square. That is V square equal to U square plus 2AS. Clear? So now we have completed the whole chapter. What I want that you should write down all the question answers. Mind it, only the theoretical part. You will derive all these equations in your physics copy. Diagrams to be done on the white page. Nothing to be written in the white page. You will not write anything. Only a diagram to be drawn in your blank page. So for 3 equations of motion, 3 diagrams, and then the derivation on the right hand side you will write in. Clear? And whatever questions are there within the chapter, in text questions, you will write down those answers, as well as whatever questions are there in the exercise, those also, except the numericals. Numericals you will not do. Whenever the school reopens, I will be doing it. I will be explaining each and every numerical on the board in front of you. Clear? I think you have understood. So please go through it nicely, and we will start a new chapter in our next class. Thank you.